Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another review. As you've seen in series 1 of these Maschinen Krieger books, Profile 1, this is the Flake. I did do a review on the Snake Eyes book in the previous video. Please don't forget to check that out. This is presented by Koyama. It is a very cool book. It has some awesome pictures in here, and on the back it has some little kind of like montage pictures of what's in the book, and of course, as I mentioned in the last video, comes with a very cool special edition decaling set. And this is the Flake, guys, the infamous Flake, one of the most well-known Maschinen Krieger vehicles out there. And in here, that's the polar bear. Cool, the AFS polar bear. It's got some little pictures here. Actually, Rainbow Egg has just made this. Comes with one of these as well, I believe. He sold it at Wonderfest. Got the old Gans there. It's going into some of his artwork, his cartoon stuff. And this is the inside page, guys. Sick. Sick. Awesome. This is friggin' awesome. I love this machine. A bit of information here in Japanese about the story of the Flake. It's got the Luna, not the, what was it called? Not the Luna, yeah, is it the Lunagans? Oh, sorry, the Crow, sorry. The bottom left corner. Obviously, this conflict's been taking place in the snow. And yet again, we have an aerial shot of the Flake, which is, I don't know how they've done that, man. They've done some Photoshop trickery. But it's obviously in flight. These are model kits that have been specialized in the photography as well. Very cool. Some more pictures there. And then going into the double spread of this magazine, the Panzerjagdkampf Flugzeug 85 Flake, very German-esque. Comes in a blue and white scheme. It's got loads of weathering on it. It's got the infamous Yakult bottle at the back, which I believe Koyama used in the original scratch build of this kit. It's got some aerial shots there. The inners, you can see that, guys. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's really peeing me off at the moment. There's some beautiful work there. Awesome subtle weathering. Really gives you that cold feel to the kit. Comes with a pilot. Actually, it's on a movable transporter there. Which is, I don't know what that is actually. It must be from like a World War II kit or something like that, what it's built on. Here are the sprues, parts. Going into this upgrade, it looks like a Wonderfest special. The Flake. I don't know who made that. To find out. But yeah, that's the upgrade parts for the Flake. I didn't know that it came with a minigun at the bottom. Sweet. So in this section here, it just talks about painting and stuff and the actual build. These are, wow, these are the kits that the Flake has been made from, and as you can see here, wow, it's a mixture of cars, planes, ma.k, motor racing. Amazing how they've put all this together, man. Really is. Like how they've taken different canopies and stuff from planes. There's a lot of work gone involved in that. Shows you the initial steps of it being built. And here are the colour schemes that you can paint your Flake with. You've got some green, some olive drab, and some brown, red brown. See different divisions. That's the snow one. Awesome. And then obviously it goes into this special decal inset which you get at the back of the book, and it does give you some information of these decals and probably about the divisions here that you get. Flashback, obviously going back to 1983. These pictures I believe are in the Chronicles book. So these are the early days, guys, the old school days. And this is featured in that book. Talks about the origins and how it all started. And then obviously, as within the other magazine, it tells you how Koyokiyama built this kit. A lot of putty involved, using some of that wave black cement. Awesome. He makes this look so easy. So easy. So yeah, using lacquers mainly. He's primed it in a black with silver chrome. And then his hand brushing on top, giving it lots of texture. Doing the panel lining. Awesome. Showing you how he made the loading bay. It's all scratch built. Wow. Kind of makes me want to scratch build again. And then it talks about the kits that he used for the kit, because it is based on like a bomber, the Lockheed P-38 Lightning. I think that's probably like the main inspiration of the Falk, with the lines. Gone into the pilot again, doing some scratch building on the pilots. Some really awesome illustrated artwork as per usual. Again, these are all like, you can tell like where Cole gets his inspiration from like World War II and stuff. And some of these actually have been done by Brickworks. You can get a lot of these ma.k figurines from the Brickworks. There you go. Awesome. Big shout out going to you as well, Brickworks. And then Co's car collection, like a Le Mans car there, Porsche 91720, 143 scale. And then here you go, here's some really cool artwork by Co. Awesome, looks like it's been done in like pencil crayon watercolour. Look at that. Sick. Square Enix on that. Must be for some computer game. Again, some more of his cartoon work. Beautiful drawings. Play online. Must be for a video game that Co's done the artwork for, it's been commissioned for. Got some of his stash. And that's it, guys. At the back of the video, back of the magazine, that is the decaling sheet. And that's about it, guys. Friggin' awesome, these magazines. I just like how you can see the initial stages of this kit being built and painted and showing you the end result. And yeah, it's an awesome magazine to get. Like I mentioned in my last video, if anybody is wanting one of these, I can try and locate one of these, but I do know that the Mandareki store supply these now and again if you're lucky, so please check those guys out. And thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, give me some feedback on my videos, be much appreciated. And thanks for watching the TMD aka Tokyo Model Detective YouTube channel. Thanks again, guys. Peace.